Hey guys, it's me, Jerry Middleman Battaglia, out here in Long Island, New York, driving around, finding hundreds of classic cars all over Long Island in all different condition. So I was rolling around Brentwood, Long Island this morning and seen this awesome car here, guys. So we have a 1975 Plymouth Valiant Scamp, all original car. It's been off the road since 2007. Unrestored car, you can tell. I don't know what dealership it came from, but right now car's in Virginia, sitting on the side of the road here. It's been sitting for a while, you can tell by all the crap underneath the car. But it's got a bench seat, column shifter, AM FM, well, actually AM radio, excuse me. It's an all original car here, guys. Vinyl top, unrestored, no paint work. Finding hundreds of classic cars all over Long Island, New York. What do you think about this car? Would you restore it and drive it as is? I think I would keep it as a daily driver. Pretty cool hubcaps on there. I like the copper color. But there it is. Looks like it has maybe 136,000 miles on it, or it could be 36,000 original miles, I'm not sure. But there you go, you have a 1975 Plymouth Valiant Scamp, copper with ivory interior. Like and share my videos, subscribe to my channel. Jerry Middleman Battaglia, finding classic cars all over Long Island, New York. I would keep it a daily driver. Like and share my videos, guys. Follow me on Instagram as well. Enjoy the rest of your day. Be safe.